ready na kami para sa aming huling staycation before ako magbakasyon. See ya! Asan na? May tornado. Kita ba? Ay, ayun o. Ayun. Good afternoon. We're finally here sa Ajnan Farm. So, may griller. Ayan na sila. Hello. May 3 rooms dito. And kainan. Total 5 rooms. First room. Ay, may TV pala dito. And sofa. Second room. May sariling CR, merong 2 beds, tas may 2 foam sa ilalim. CR, oh, malaki naman. May heater. Third room. Yan, with CR din. Yan. Hello. Ayan, maraming tables and chairs. Yan, ito yung pool. Yan, naglalaro na sila. Then, ito yung 2 pang rooms. Yan, so ito isa siyang buong bahay with TV, sofa, kainan, and kitchen. Meron palang Dolce Gusto. This room, ito may crib. So, pwede sila Ate D. And CR. Medyo mas maliit yung CR dito. Ang cute ng ilaw. Tapos parang marami siyang ganito sa bahay. So, I think maraming flies or mosquitoes later. Kasi, this is a farm. Yan. So, ang CR nila, I guess, dito. Yes. Uy, may chinelas. Nice. What's in the baul? If Muslims, yan, mga prayer mats. Yan. Tas ito pa. Mga upuan and all. And outdoor. Plus, kung gusto mong mag bonfire, meron sila. And more upuan. Yan, ito magandang photo spot later. Dito din, magandang photo spot. Marami siyang area actually. So, if you're a big group, maganda siya. Meron pa swing. And if you have kids, ayan, may playground. And may exercise area. Yan. So today, I think we are going to be 15 people and 2 kids. So it's big enough for us. Ito pa pala, nalimutan ko, this is their majilis. Or receiving area ng mga Arab people. Yan. So, dito kami mag-games later, I guess. Yan na po. Nag-start na po si Master Chef, Jadro. Anong isda to?
Kingfish.
Diba? Define stuff. Ooh, sarap. And my balloon session.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. Just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now.
Hi po.
Crush, crush on you.
Yan. Talong time.
And I was looking outside. Lost in your eyes.
Ito na, ang sunod nating chef for the day. Yes. Papaitan.
May dila nga rin yung...
Hi! Say hi naman! Hi! And syempre kay Baby Mia. Hello po! Hello, Ginger!
Lamig-lamig
Alam mo, mas
po.
pumuputi siya.
Hi! Welcome to my house!
May papaitan. Ooh, yummy. Sa'yo si Jed. Sabi ko yan. Ay kuya, lamig yan. Girl, ang lamig ba? Sobra.
Okay, ready. The word is unicorn. 3, 2, 1, go! Mali! Okay. The word is ballet. 3, 2, 1, go!
Takdo pala! Ginaganyan ko pa.
Next word is heart. 3, 2, 1, go! Mali! Ate Sandy, 2 fingers ka lang. Wala! Jomar late, bawal yun. The next word is telephone. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, 1 point! Okay, the next word is selfie. 3, 2, 1, go! Bakit ganyan kayo? Ano ba? Mali! Kuya, di ba selfie ganun?
Akala ko sa inyo yung camera.
The next word is zombie. 3, 2, 1, go! Hoy, wala. Walang point. Ba't ganyan? Sister, ano ka? Zombie, di ba? Bakit si Cecil ganun? The next word is soldier. 3, 2, 1, go! Ano ba yun? Soldier, ano ba? Sundalo?
Nagigipaglaban ka.
Tingnan mo nga sila, kuya. O, tama nga na ganun. The next word is natutulog. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, wrong! Si Ate Sandy nasa left side. Dapat right kayo lahat. Hindi pwede. Kaya nga telepathy.
Pacific daw po yung isa.
Pag ito, hindi ko talaga, pag hindi nyo pa ito nakuha. The next word is palaka. 3, 2, 1, go! Ano ba yan, Kuya? Ano ba yan, Kuya? Ano ba yung palaka mo, bakla?
May pala kang ayaw humawak sa sa'yo. Ibig sabihin malit yung paa.
The next word is beauty. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, sorry Ate Sandy. One hand ka lang. Dalawa, te. Di ba pretty? Ano ba yan? The word is nilalamig. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, 1 point. The next word is umiinom. 3, 2, 1, go! Ah! Correct! Okay, this is a Tagalog word again. The word is nagyoyosi. 3, 2, 1, go! Kuya, bakit ganun? Hindi naman nagyoyosi yung ganyan!
Depende kasi sa hawak. Depende sa hawak.
Marijuana yan, kuya! Okay. The word is Spider-Man. 3, 2, 1, go!
Patay kayo dyan.
Wala, mali! Ano ba? Di ba Spider-Man? Ano ba? Di ba ganun?
Ano ba Spider-Man yung...
Superman. 3, 2, 1, go! Anong late? Sige na nga, kayo na panalo! Sa gitna lang yung dila. Ayan.
Yari kayo dyan.
Okay. Ready? Time starts now.
Patay na, mahirap pala. Ayoko.
No, English word.
English word.
It's a thing. Lahat bagay.
Bagay.
Tingnan niyo ako.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Steal. Word is parachute.
Tama, one word lang.
Pwede na 3 words.
Movies.
Movies. Hoy, gumagalaw dila mo! Gumagalaw dila mo! Gitna lang! Gitna lang!
Magnolia ice cream. Manong steel. Hindi, mamaya tayo. Pakinggan niyo mabuti.
Kuya, bukas mo yung bibig mo!
Rock, Rock,
Movie!
Rock,
Four.
Star Wars!
Still. 10. 9. Wala. The Godfather. The Lord of the Rings.
Daya, nakapasok yung dila niya. Lalabas ko mamaya. Yan, kabiri. Ay. Yan, panalo na tayo.
Hindi, prito na daw.
Hirap naman yung dila mo! Lagyan mo ng lips!
Steel. Anong steel?
Van Helsing.
Mali!
Monster Inc.
Sinabi mo wala ka. Alice in Wonderland.
Oo, tama.
Pakain.
Diretso.
Sisilgat. Papa, hindi lang ako eh.
Padayin. Malayo. Padayin. Mabaho. Ha?
Sana maulit-ulit!
Alinaw yan, ha? Wala na tayo.
Yes, the Sandy. May habol ka rin.
Tawag ng aking damdamin ay ikaw at walang iba. Ang lahat-lahat sa akin ay ikaw lang talaga.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. 'Cause I just know you